Hi guys, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, it's good to have you back. Thank you for stopping by again. And if you're new here, welcome to Bam's World. And don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Alright, on today's video, I'll be taking you through the process of making locust bean stew. If you want to know how to do this, you want to watch the video to the end. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See my sister. Say hello, sister. Alright guys, so these are my ingredients: onions blended with garlic, locust beans locally called iru, then roasted fish, the round roasted fish, and pomo. All of these are washed and ready to be used. Then I'm boiling the pepper at this time, and then I've added this seasoning to the pepper. Then I already put my pot on the gas for the water I need to dry up. Then it's completely dried here. Then I added some palm oil, and then I waited a bit for it to get hot. Okay, then after getting hot, I added the iru. For some reason the palm oil was foamy. Then I let the iru fried a bit, and then I added onions. Don't mind the fact that it was like fast at that point. I had to like make the video a bit faster. So then I stirred it again to be sure that the onions and garlic was already fried with the iru. Okay, so I'm still waiting for it to like fry more so that it will be dry. Then I added my pepper to it. I'm still adding the pepper, the boiled pepper. Don't forget, I already added seasoning to the pepper while I was boiling it. I boiled the pepper just so that the frying will not take so long and the pepper will not still be raw. Okay, to reduce the effect of the pepper, because I used the red pepper. Okay, so then I stirred it together so that everything will boil and all. Then I allowed the pepper fry with the locust beans and the garlic. Then I added the pomo and then stirred it together. Still stirring it. I don't know why I was stirring this long, but then I was feeling myself while I was cooking the food. Okay, so I added the round fish to like I've cleaned it, and so I just added and then turned it to like I'm still stirring so that everything will like absorb the pepper and then it will be tasty too. Okay, so like I'm trying to show you guys, see what I'm making. Okay, so like I said earlier, I was just feeling myself while I was making the food. So okay, at this point I already tasted, and then I added more seasoning. Then I added a little bit of water so that everything I added could like boil together. Then I added my egg, and I was waiting for the water I added to dry up so that everything can like come together and be dry. The stew is more appreciated when it's dry. So this is the end product, my dear brothers and sisters. I ate it with rice and plantain, and it was. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, love and light. Bye guys.